Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the stew with another video, and this one we're gonna go over Supreme Week 12, some shit like that. I know that it's the Stone Island collab. There's low-key a lamp coming out. There's a lot of fire shit releasing. If y'all doing up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. Come on, bro. We still on road to 20K. About to start posting more consistently again. With all that being said, let's get straight to it. So at the very top of the list, we got the sticky note lamp. This shit is fire, bro. I wonder what retail's gonna be on this, because honestly, this is a banger. If it's not too high, I might go for it. I'm saving for vacation right now, so it's kind of steep. I'm still gonna see if this is a possibility, because this actually goes hard. I would love to have it somewhere over there, or even by my computer over here where I edit. I feel like this would just be a cool little touch to have in the room. Clean ass lamp. I'm honestly debating on it. I'm waiting to see what the retail is. If it's anything over $100, I'm good on it, to be honest. But this does look like a clean little lamp, you feel me? Let me know what y'all think about the lamp in the comments. We do got some Stone Island pieces first. We got the T, which is looking ever so clean in that black, you feel me? Exquisite. I feel like it's a piece that I'd actually wear. I don't know if I'd cop the Mona Lisa one. They tripping with that one, but the black one and even that burgundy-ish color is looking pretty clean. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Don't know if this is gonna have resell. I honestly don't even remember what the last one did. All I know is that I paid $400 for some baggy ass pants. Never wore them. Literally had to sell them. They didn't even fit me, and I was big as shit. But we got the ripstop cargo pants. These are releasing in 3 different colorways. Honestly, all 3 go hard. It's a reactive print, which basically means that it's either gonna react with water or temperature. I don't know exactly what's the vibe on these, but that's pretty sick. I'd probably just go for these in the black color. And one thing that I'm seeing is that there is a toggle at the bottom to make them tighter. I think that's a clean touch, because honestly, you need everything you can get with these bitches. They be baggy, bro. Hopefully it's like a tapered fit on these. Clean as fuck though, not even gonna lie to y'all. The shell jacket is crazy, bro. I don't know if I'd cop that Mona Lisa. If the Mona Lisa was on like a creamy tan jacket, that shit would have been amazing. But I just don't know why they put it on a white jacket. Too nasty for me. White jacket, bro, your cuff gonna be brown. That's disgusting. Like, I would deadass buy this and dye it in tan or cream. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It is a clean jacket in general. That black, fire. There's also the reactive jacket, which is basically the same as the ripstop pants, but in a jacket this time. Same 3 colors as the pants. Honestly, the black one is my favorite. I do kind of like that they offset the buttons on this, so it's not dead center. It almost looks like a corset looking ass vibe, almost like a vest, the way that the buttons be on the side type shit. Let me know what y'all think about that. I feel like it's something different. It's not regular, which makes it spicy, you feel me? It makes it something worth getting, especially in that black color. Come on, bro, so cold. You even got the reactive camp cap coming out, bro. They're not playing. They put this shit on everything, and it's something that I've been seeing on Instagram. This whole reactive print. Fendi or one of those brands made a pair of shorts that actually change when you put water on it. That's pretty cool, bro. It's technology in clothing. Pretty sick. The hat is not that bad. Like I said, every piece that I mentioned so far, I'd probably just get in the black color. The other ones are a little bit too loud for me. I wouldn't really wear those as often, so it just wouldn't make sense to have in my wardrobe, or even go to the lengths of spending that type of money on a piece that I don't know I would wear every day, if that makes sense. But let's go ahead and hop into the green screen, talk about the rest of the items and the sponsor of this video, and we'll get straight up out of here. Already spoke about some of the items on this list. Haven't covered these other ones. The first one being the stripe hooded sweatshirt. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of this one. If I were to go for it, it would be in this tan color, simply because the white and the tan kind of meshes better. I don't know how I feel about that big ass stripe going across the whole top of this bitch. If it didn't have it, I feel like this would be a solid ass hoodie, but then again, it'll be something that they already probably have done in the past. So I see them trying to be different. I just don't like the way that it came out. Let me know how y'all feeling about this shit right here. The tan color is the best though. At least to me, this is the most solid color. We already spoke about these at the top. We didn't speak about this reversible parka. This one comes in 2 colors, and I'm guessing the other, ooh, this shit is type pimping, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. It does have the Stony badge on the back of it. This is that Alaska, Antarctica type vibe right here. I might be the first to let y'all know that I don't need this. Where I live, I barely wear coats as is, so I'm good on that shit. But I did want to show y'all the whole reactive shit. This is basically it right here with the weather or with water. I don't know exactly how these work. They're gonna change the design of it. I think that's pretty solid. We also do got the striped sweatpants. Now the sweatpants is the same shit as the hoodie but on some sweats. Honestly, I think it correlates better on the sweatpants. I am feeling it a little bit more simply because you don't got a stripe going around your whole muffin top. I'm good on the hoodie, but I feel like the sweatpants are a more solid option. To secure these hyped upcoming releases like the Stone Island and Supreme drop that we're talking about in this video, you want to go ahead, sign up for Addict 3.0's newsletter. They've had a bunch of success on these Supreme drops as the years have passed, and I'm putting some proof up here for y'all right now. One of the most reliable and fastest iOS bots on the market, and I want to run through some of the features that they have to offer real quick. They have bot support, so you'll be able to bot on all Shopify sites including Yeezy and Supreme. They have monitors, so basically with Addict you can monitor what hyped releases are coming out, and if you set up your information, the bot will able to auto check out whenever items like PS5s restock or Jordans / Yeezy. They got the raffle section, so now you'll even be able to enter in all the raffles. If you guys know, that does boost your chances at copying these releases by a lot because you have way more opportunity. They got custom push notifications, restock mode, NFT support, intensive guides, and even a Discord group to help you along the way, which is free of charge. Addict 3.0 actually has a lot of really good features. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys sign up for their newsletter. It's a $130 one-time fee, which you can split using Sezzle into 4 separate payments. Once you purchase Addict, it's no renewal fees, free updates for life. So if you guys are interested, make sure you sign up for their newsletter. The link will be at the top of the description, but let's get back to this video. We do got the hand style new era fitted. This is actually fire. Don't know if I'll end up going for it, but I'm fucking with the fitted vibes. I just love fitteds and I love graffiti. Literally probably one of my favorite things. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for this and what color you gonna be going for it in. Honestly, I'm feeling the red or the purple. I feel like they look less gimmicky on those colors. Even the black one is hard. I don't know, honestly. This is a clean fitted though, for sure. See, the crusher with that design actually doesn't look bad, bro. Like, it looks better. I see the ring around the rose on the top of this one. The cream or the black are actually some solid summer crushers. You could do your little thing with those in the beach vibe. Freaking it for real, solid. I see it. I see the vision, bro. I can see the visual with that one. But this reflective mesh camp, if you're not running at night, you don't need this, bro. I just don't think you need it. But if you do, then A, more power to you. I wonder how they could get the shine of the 3M to be a whole different color. That's another question for another day. We got the wife beaters coming out low key. Young Thug's mugshot from this morning, he had 2 wife beaters, one on top of the other one. Let me know if you freaking the double beater. Like, I don't know who's doing that. Literally, this is a 3-pack. You can't even do 2 days of double beaters with this shit. But hey, I feel it. If you double beating it, pause, bro. We got the snap off sleeve baseball top. This one comes in 3 colors and you can have it your way with this one, bro. They got the long sleeve jacket that turns into a short sleeve shirt, bro. Let me know how the fuck that shit makes sense. If y'all freaking with this, bro, put a F in the chat, please. I don't really know how I feel about the separation in the sup and the ream right here. I just don't think it works. I don't. We got the stripe 7-liter messenger bag. This is actually hard. I don't see why it's so low, but then again, I look at the flap and it's like, what the f? Just look at this shit and tell me it's not a trapezoid flap on this bitch. I don't know where they're trying to take this shit, but it just doesn't make sense. I'm trying to like it because it's Stone Island and Supreme, but if this shit wasn't Stone Island and Supreme, I wouldn't even be looking at this shit trying to buy it, if that makes sense. We good on the stripe bag. You do got this denim jacquard shirt. Look at this shit. It's literally Supreme blasted all over it, 100%. We got the East Broadway sweatpants, and we got the sweater. Honestly, the sweatpants are decent. I'm trying to see what these shits look like. I do see the Supreme right here. A lot going on though. That's probably the problem for me. And then we do got the top, which the top doesn't look that bad. This is decent. It's just too many logos. Like, bro, what? It's already an all over print. All the logos just kind of takes it away from the whole Broadway situation, because you're just looking at all the logos and you see Broadway kind of behind it. Then you got this flower. This is all over the place. I'm not gonna lie. The more I look at it, the more I'm just agreeing that it's a dub for that piece. We got these warm-up pants, 6 colors on these hoes. Honestly, these look like some Prada pants. In the left 3 colors, the ones on top of my head right here, these are actually a banger. I'm not gonna lie, especially in that cream with the red zipper at the bottom. It almost gives that Prada aesthetic, and the gray color as well. Let me know if y'all freaking with these. The last piece in the drop list is the open knit stripe zip polo. This one comes in 3 colors, and it almost gives like 1970s that ass, some flare ass pants with like some hippie ass boots. That's what the fuck I'm getting from this right here. I feel like that cream with the blue is the best bowling shirt you could buy, bro. Like, if you about to go bowling next week, this is the shirt you're trying to buy this Thursday. It'll just match the vibe, that ass. Just wear like some flared pants with the little bowling shoes, bro. You got the whole retro fit. You could literally go rollerblading with this shit on. Trust me, bro. This bitch is hand sewn. Like, you probably made this shit in your bathroom while you were taking a dookie crocheting this shit. But yeah, bro, the lamp goes hard, the tee goes hard. This jacket go crazy, bro. I love this jacket in the black color. Essential piece in the wardrobe. Honestly, this shit is gorgeous. I feel like it's almost like an archive piece. Let me know if y'all fucking with it as much as I am. I think this shit is a banger, bro. I just don't know why they had to do the white on the Mona Lisa in cream. This would have slapped. Let me know how y'all feeling about this. I feel like it's solid though. Solid for sure. Let's not even talk about the cargo pants, bro. These shits fire. Like, these cargo pants go crazy. I honestly love every color. Look at this shit. They're cream pants, but if it gets hot, they change colors. Yeah, that's gas. Let me know if y'all fucking with these though. I feel like these cargo pants are probably my favorite item releasing, alongside that jacket that I just spoke about. Both of these pieces are probably my favorite items from the whole week. These shits go crazy. This whole top row is cold as fuck, bro. Like, this shit is ice, dead ass. Then everything just start dwindling downhill as you work your way down to the bowling shirt. Trust me, bro. It just starts getting a little dark. But yeah, that pretty much does it for drop list number 12. Let me know what y'all gonna be going for this week. I feel like there's a lot of potential. I don't know how I feel about resell, because honestly, Supreme is just hit or miss, but these items are for sure must cops. I feel like the top 3 in black, you don't even need nothing else. Like, just keep those pants in rotation, keep that jacket in rotation. The hat is cool, you feel me? Shit is still cool. And then it's just, you got the beaters right here, and then shit just get weird, bro. Like, we good on that. So I'm not gonna lie, I forgot to do an outro, but if y'all did enjoy this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.